Gina. Today I'm going to show you the Curated Bead box, and this is the January subscription box, and it's called Vintage Dream. Now with Curated Bead box, all of the beads are put together to go nice together, so nice complementary colors. Everything is listed on the front of the box, so that you can reference everything you get, and if you would like to go order more or whatever, you are able to do that. So let's go ahead and open this box. And a bunch of stuff in here. Let's take these out. And I will put them in order so that I can read them off to you nicely, and we'll take a peek at them. Look at those colors, those are pretty. Okay, so right back. I have laid them all out, and the first thing we have is a 12mm dusty pink crackle glass bead, 8-inch string, and those are really pretty. The pink, I get a lot of crackle glass from this particular subscription, but this one's just exceptionally pretty. I like that one. Then we have 12mm brown blossom spray glass bead. So this one, I don't know if you can see it under my lights or not, but it has kind of it kind of looks like amber in a way. It's kind of transparent, sort of, and it's got all these little gold flecks in it. It's really very pretty when you get it up close. I don't know how well it's translating on the video, but it's a pretty strand of beads. Then this one says 18mm bronze leaf style glass beads, but I think it's supposed to be 8mm because this is not 18mm. But I'm pretty sure this is the bronze leafing one, and that's pretty too. And that's kind of nice together. And then we have 8mm light turquoise round crackle beads. So these are another crackle bead. Very pretty. And then we have 8mm brown spot marble style glass bead. This is really cool. If I get it close, it has all kinds of little speckles in it. It's got like a little turquoise speckle in it, and kind of a rose-ish color speckle. Really very pretty. I like it. And then we have got dusty pink gemstone style glass bead. Look at these two together. That's really nice. But anyway, back to that. And this is the dusty rose. That's very pretty. And then we have turquoise style glass bead, 6mm. And that's this one, which is also very pretty. These colors are very nice. They go very well together. And then we've got a 6mm rhodonite style glass bead, 16-inch string. And these are pretty too. We get up close and you can see all the patterning in it too. I hope you can anyway. It's very pretty. Looks like stone. Very pretty. Then we have 24 by 12mm silver metal, no, these are 20mm brown silver foil lampwork glass beads. There's those. Those aren't really my thing. I gotta be honest, I don't like these foil beads. I think they're kind of ugly. I just don't like them. But that's just my opinion. But they're nice big size beads, so if you like big beads, you might like those. And then we've got 24 by 12mm silver metal cone, 2 cones. These are cool. And get these out. They look like little witches' hats. Look. That's what those look like. And then we have 10 by 6mm silver wound metal spacer beads, 5 beads. These are kind of cool. I really haven't had any like this. They look like coiled wire, kind of a messy coil or something like that. That's kind of cool. I'll use those. Those are cool. And then we have this peacock. Now, I'm going to take this out because you could glue all kinds of little flat back Swarovskis or something on this tail, and you would have a very shiny peacock, ma'am. That is cute. So, anyway, done with that one. Then we have, I think I'm getting bead happy. I've opened too many bead boxes. Anyway, we have always a bag of findings with this particular bad boy, this particular bead box. And this one is some memory wire. That's always nice to have on hand. And I have a few tutorials that you can use that with. And then some lobster claw clasps, some stretch cord, which I've been making a whole bunch of little simple stretch bracelets for my mom. She really likes them lately, so that will come in handy. And then some head pins, some jump rings, some ear wires, and some crimp beads, and some bead stringing wire. So you can make something right away with this box. You just have everything you need except for your tools. That's all you need. So anyway, let's put this all back together. I guess I don't have to put those in there. We'll just leave those out like that and have our shiny peacock. And these ugly beads, we'll put those there. And then we've got these pretty ones. This is the January bead box. This is from Curated Bead Box. I will put the details, the amount, and the website right here. And if you use Gina 35% you will get 35% off your first box. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing these beads open, and have a nice night. Bye-bye.